Happy birthday, Jayden. God bless you. From Tito Arnel. Row 4, King Gang.
Diyan Lansang, happy birthday from Team Sulut and Evolution 200. Happy 7th birthday, Jayden Lansang. More birthday to come and God bless from Team Sulut and Evolution 200, Papang Hazel. Thank you.
Happy 7th birthday, Jayden. Itatang mo may kagawang makaninig ako. Sana dagol kang mag-anak ka, kalupa ng parang JR. Ito ang samasan pa mag-aaral mo. Matapot ang dagol ka sa limang masanting atrak. Parang JR. Ito mo. Happy birthday.
Hey yo boy, what's up mga kadale? So ayun, at this your Kimpoy Dale. I want to greet Jayden Lansang, ayan, ang anak ni parang JR. So what's up sa'yo? I greet you a happy 7th birthday. Ang wish ko, sana maging mabait kang bata at maging masunurin sa iyong magulang. So ayun, ingat lagi. God bless sa inyo lahat. Pare, see you soon. Mr. Worldwide, dale!
Happy birthday, Jayden. Wish for you. Sana dagol ka nga takot ka rin pengari at malugod ka rin pengari at sama-sama pa mag-aral mo tong good health and good life. This is Ninong William from Mabalacat. Happy birthday to. Happy birthday, Jayden.
Hello, Jayden. Happy birthday. Sana lagi kang susunod kang mommy at daddy. God bless my boy.
Happy 7th birthday, Jayden. Wish ko kang birthday mo, sana tupad mo hanggang pangarap mo kang biya mo. Mag-aral kang masalese, maging masya sa buntok. Lagi kang maramdam kang mamo tsaka kang tatang mo. Happy birthday. 7th birthday, Jayden. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy 7th birthday, Jayden. Ako nga pala si Ninong Jeric na bumabati sa iyo ng maligayang kaarawan. Wish you a good health and more birthdays to come. God bless you and we love you.
Happy 7th birthday, Jayden. Sana lagi kang healthy. Wish ko sa iyo laging more blessing to come at maging paglaki mo, maging successful ka sa buhay mo. Happy 7th birthday sa iyo, Jayden from Ninong Ted.
Hello, Jayden. Happy 7th birthday, Keka. Enjoy mo, ingal do ini. Kaya kaya. Alang makakontra Keka. Anya, enjoy mo. At sana mag-aral kang masalese. Luguran mo ring pengarin mo ipapampoy mamo. At eka pa mag-girlfriend, ha? Tandaan mo yun, damokal ka. Okay? Happy 7th birthday. Enjoy. Kaya kaingal do ini, alam makakontra. From your Ninong JP, row 4 since grade 1. Okay? Mikit na nakin Pasko. Bawal yung Gcash, ha? Pag na-signal. I love you. God bless. Jayden.
Hi Jayden, happy birthday to you. Happy 7th birthday, Apo. This is your Lola Myla from Evolution 200 Philippines. Ayan, wish ko na sana maging good boy and successful lahat ng mga plano mo and be a good boy to your mom and dad. Happy birthday, Apo. I love you. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, Jayden.